Tema piny Amerka e pacho kaendi Mikai Margaret Whiteman otimo limbe mare mokwongo e kaunti ma Kisumu odiochieng' ma kawuono. Mikai Whiteman oyango ni limbe ma kamano ero en mar lalruok e wi wechego eko motenore kod lwasi mar siasa e pacho kaendi kaachiel kod weche mag dongruok kod tudruok e kind kaunti ma Kisumu kod pinyno ero mar Amerka. E kinde romono ero ngire Peter Anyang' Nyong'o ma bende gavana e kaunti ma Kisumu osingo mar neno ni welo mawuok e pinyno ero mar Amerka matimo limbe kata modak e kaunti ma Kisumu biro ketnegi arita kwe moromo.
You have not yet grown to the fifth one, but anyway, that's okay. We are happy today in Kisumu to have welcomed her Excellency Ambassador of the United States of America to Kenya, Her Excellency Whitman and her team. And we have discussed many things regarding our county's relationship with the U.S. and U.S. programs in the county, particularly in the medical field, agriculture, and other related areas of development, and also general interest in global affairs and Kenyan affairs. And I would say that we have had a very useful discussion, and I'm sure you would like to know exactly what we have discussed from what you are interested in as members of the fourth estate, and therefore give you that opportunity this morning.
With regard to the travel advisory that was issued just a few days after I became ambassador, so what you need to understand about the United States is our first job is for the safety and security of embassy personnel as well as U.S. citizens in any country in the world in which we operate. And so whenever there is any concern, it is actually a law of the United States of America that we must alert American citizens and embassy personnel. So it was not targeted specifically to Kisumu, other than the fact this is our largest place in all of Kenya besides Nairobi where we have U.S. citizens and employees. So we had no data, no data that you didn't have about Kisumu. It was a very in the course of normal business that we would issue an alert like that. It is true, one of the reasons I wanted to come to Kisumu is I wanted to, first I wanted to see the governor again, but I also wanted to show that this is an area that is very important to the United States, very important to our endeavors in Kenya. So that is why I am here. What I want to say is that I can't guarantee that there will never be other